Hi guys, and welcome to another unboxing video by ITGC. Today we are going to be unboxing the i9 9900K. So let's get into it, shall we? Okay, first achievement unlocked, getting this tape off. Okay, this is hard. Okay, there you go. And off comes this box. And we have another seal over here, another seal over here. So let's open this up. Okay, piece is broken, guys. It's okay. It's just cosmetic damage to the box. Other than that, it's fine. So let's continue. I like the packaging for this. I like when companies do weird packaging. I like it. Thank you, Intel. Please keep making this kind of stuff so guys like me can unbox them. And now we have our first dilemma. How do we open this? How will we open this indeed? Guys, would you believe it? I had to Google up how to open this up. It's not very apparent. Make it easy for me, Intel, please. Okay, without further ado, ta-da-da! We have the Intel Core i9. And ta-da-da! Okay. This is an 8-core processor by Intel. It clocks up to 3.6 GHz on all cores, and the turbo boost frequency is 5 GHz on single and dual core applications. And there you have it, folks. This concludes our unboxing of the product. Thank you, and keep subscribe to ITGC Tech for more videos like this. Thank you.